Praise the Lord. Welcome to AIM. Guys, we are back on another road construction project update coming from Achimota going towards Nsawam. It is July 12th, 2026, and we are on our way to see what has been going on. There's been a lot of work. I hear there's a lot of work going on as my husband has gone to the farm, so the Nsawam side they're working. So here we are. See how they have the bus stop signs there? We're on the access road right now, which is where we had to come. We did stop by the mall, and we're on our way home. So this is Jante right here. We have our landmarks, which will be the yellow and green, the big church, and the Echo Block. Where is that? There it is. Echo Block. Those are our landmarks, so you know where we're at. Up on the Poquasi interchange. As we're coming past here, we see when we came, we rode on a different section of the road and they were working. So you guys go back and check out the previous road construction video and you'll see it. This place is still rough. This is what I was talking about over here. We rode on a different lane there, the outer lane. So they do have a lot of work to do over there. And the gutters and everything. And this place, they need to pave it. So we are here now on the access road. This is what it's looking like. Got the overhead walkway in use. Very nice. So here we are. They're working over there, as you can see. So hopefully they'll open that area up soon, and it will be paved. Got a little bottleneck going on here. It's hard to tell. Or is that a broke down? Yeah, that's a broke down truck, right? That's also causing an issue. You're gonna see some workers up here. Oh, it's my left, but I think it might be your right as you're watching the video. But they're working over here in the center. Got the rollers going on, got the paver over there. So, yeah, they're working on it. Working on it. So we're very thankful for that. Got a little traffic going on here. Little traffic going on here, but at least we're moving. Some people are moving a little more out in the lane. So they're working in the middle over there. Don't mind Nana, he's sleeping very well right now. This is what we're looking like over here. So it's been a while since we rode over here. We used to ride on this side all the time. They're working, they're pouring the gutters, I guess. They were working up over in here earlier, which they probably still are. We just won't be able to really see it at this point. But it's nice. A little bottleneck back there where the chochos were, but that's to be expected. So they've been working on the gutters over here. Another bus stop area, I guess. Overhead walkway in use. Even the motos are using it, even though it hasn't been totally paved. So they're working here, or
it used to be at Ram,
crossing.
but they took it.
Okay. We're here at the China Mall for a landmark. There's a bus stop there. Oh yeah, it's a bit of traffic up here. There's a knockoff Home Depot. We got another broke down truck. That's what makes it hard. When they break down, you've got only 2 lanes, and then they take one up because they're broke down, so you have to merge. That's it for the pavement. This is what we're looking like here. Trying to figure out if he can go up the road there. They try. So this road, as you can see, will be brought up quite a bit. They have quite a bit of work to do to raise this. Got the water trucks out. Okay, we got some having to face the traffic. So they're getting there. At least we're seeing some progress. Being moved around a little bit. And yeah, somebody lost something off of their vehicle. I would say it was probably a tro-tro. Somebody's gonna be missing their bag. Oh, it's this guy.
The trash.
This one. Still, they use it for a tro-tro, right? They're not.
They might be going to Kumasi.
Yeah. They're not supposed to use those vehicles. But they do it anyway. Anyway, that's what we got for you guys. A little bit of changes going on over here. So hopefully within the next week, the Lord willing, when we come back, we'll see some more changes even. There's a worker.
Everybody's going on traffic.
Yep. Yep, a lot of traffic over there. It's going to be a little tough for us. But fortunately, you guys,
Oh, it's going to be tough.
you guys will get to exit. My husband
I don't know how is it.
try to figure it out. But at least you guys get to get out here. And we'll spare you the traffic. And you can continue on your destination. All right. Till next time. God bless you.